Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so we what is it? Did some selling off this morning. Currently doing some selling off, and right now it's like we're trying to recover, but yeah, we'll see where it goes. XO Cole, top of the morning, and good morning. Yeah, we're being pushed back up kind of strong right now. Kind of good because I grabbed some puts. Oh, I forgot to mark my entry for the SPY. I want to say it was like about in this area. Let's see. I think it was about in this area. But it might have been. I think it was actually like over here. So I think I went down some more. Mom, good morning. Big time. Top of the morning. Devin, what's up? Top of the morning. Hey, I'm going to be real. I did not feel like getting on this stream this morning with all these stocks falling. I'm like, yo, all these questions going to be coming. Janky, top of the morning. Let's scoot that in. There we go. All right. Pushing on up. So to anyone unaware, the positions I currently have, I have a, oh wait, hold up. Reset my account after losing 300 last 2 weeks and reset the 300 mindset. You made calls I made before you did, and that's how I know I'm learning. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, I mean we can talk about why I took the calls I made because honestly, if this is your first week trading options, bro, this is hey, it's a week to get in on, but I think we have potential blast off about to happen. All right, so to kind of get in and review why I entered the positions I entered today, which is just a call on the SPY and a call on Palantir. This morning, Palantir opened. I had, I think, resistance around like 639.60, support at like 637 or whatever. But and then I saw the bottom of the range is actually right at this 635 area. But I looked just past that and I saw this liquidity right here. So I saw it and I'm like, oh yeah, that's from this previous range over here. That's liquidity right there. So I was like, okay, let's take that as entry. And I was thinking on the 4 hour, there's a good chance of liquidity. So as of right now on this candle, yo, it's looking like it. So that's why I entered that SPY call. And then Palantir, not necessarily looking at liquidity. I do see some liquidity over here, which also would have been another good reason. But I'll throw this one at D-Scurv. I think some time ago he kind of recognized this channel that Palantir has been trading into. We kind of traded above it, blasted out, but Palantir, they pulled back to the bottom end of this channel. Let me actually, here, let's see if we can take that out to the weekly. They pulled out to the lower end of this channel and did I put that right? Yeah, and pretty much it was at a strong support as well as oversold. So that's why I got in on the Palantir as well. And now they're both up. But I didn't get anything major or too much because I'm not trying to throw all my money at it. All right, let's see. Luke, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. Yeah, Luke, I'm in those trades I was just talking about. So I got like a SPY 639 call that expires tomorrow. And I think I got a Palantir 160 call that expires. When does it expire? It expires it expires on Friday. You said, is it too late to enter? Honestly, I have no idea. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. But yeah, honestly, I have no idea. Didn't necessarily count on the market selling quite as heavy as it sold this morning. I feel like I could still see a little more room for downside, but I can see a little more room for upside. I'm gonna say anything can happen. Um, so is it too late? There's really no way to tell. We got a lot of volatility, big ranges. I don't know. Natasha, good morning. Made those two calls you made in a Robinhood call. Hey, nice, nice. Yeah, I was looking at Robinhood, but I didn't do anything with it. But I did look at Robinhood. I think the next layer area, I was like, oh, if it comes to 94, yeah, I'll do that. But this morning I was kind of rubbing my hands, but I'm also like, dang, I get paid. I guess kind of. No, I get paid Friday, so I'm like, come on. I was like, can this happen on a Friday or something, or can it stay down till Friday? But we'll see what happens. Buddha Dev, good morning. Stanley, good morning. Brandon, what's up? I wish I could say the stocks. I mean, we got a little bounce, but here, let's close that real quick. All right, let me check in on my positions. Like I grab stuff so far away from the money that. All right, so oh yeah, also update on the Microsoft. The Microsoft down. That didn't find life yet. It was kind of holding up kind of well this morning, but right now it's not doing much. Oh, I said I got a 639 call. I got a 638. So even better than I thought. That calls up 45%. Um, let's see the Robinhood, not Robinhood, the Palantir. That's up 46 too. They've been moving about the same percentage. I'm actually very glad that once again, like days like today makes me very glad I don't trade right at open. I know people would have been going crazy and I would have missed some really, really good stuff. Hold on, let's see. Good morning, everyone. Is the bounce that we are saying? Um, hey, I'm gonna say hindsight's 2020, or not hindsight's 2020, but it's like yo, we kind of don't know until we see. It's like it could be a dead count bounce, dead count, dead cat bounce, but also it could not. Like we know that historically September is a sell-off month, so I would like to hope that we could push up before then, but also I don't know. Sometimes whenever everyone is expecting something, the market likes to get ahead of it. So everyone is expecting a sell off. So this could be the sell off now. So I really don't know. We'll have to see. Like one thing's for sure though, we still have like more downward we can go. So I would say it's not out of the woods yet. Stan, good morning. April, good morning. It's cloudy. It's cloudy over here. Not so much rainy. It actually feels kind of nice. It did like I did hear some thunder earlier, but no, it's like I see some blue in the sky. I see some clouds. It's actually like nice to be outside right now. Like I was outside like right before this stream. I was like, oh man, like to go for a walk or ride my bike or something right now. D Scurb, good morning. Bounce back Wednesday. Bear traps are set. Hey, that's what I'm saying. It's like always expect the unexpected. Where it's like they like to set traps. It's like wherever they can make the largest group of people wrong, that's what the market's going to do. That's why I'm not like looking to ride my stuff like too far. I just take what I can. All right, let's see. Robert, good morning. Pound to 140s. Who would have thought? Hey, for real. $50 drop in 7 days. Yeah, D-Skirt, we dropped to the bottom of the little channel you found some time ago. I was like, yo, let me pick up a call right here. So, yeah, that's why I picked up that call. Because this little channel, we found our way back in, and then we hit support. I know we're below the 200 moving average right now on the, or EMA on the 4 hour. I'm just, I guess we'll see kind of how it closes. But yeah, the volume to the downside, that's definitely up there on Palantir. Yes, the cat definitely had my tongue. I could not say what I was trying to say. Dead cat bounce. It bounced and then it happened to grab my tongue. Let's see. Raining heavy in Rowlett. Can't remember the last time I went to Rowlett. Probably high school, if I'm being honest. RSI on the 4 hour Palantir. Yeah, that's another reason that I was like, yeah. I was like, that might be money. If I like holding it in the Friday, I was like, that could end up in the money. But we'll see. I believe that SPY is going to 640. I think it could happen too. I say there's a good chance it can come back to highs. We'll see. But yeah, 638, that contract's in the money, so that's cool with me. I'm gonna need Microsoft to chill out though. Start going back up. Oh, Luke says supposedly Microsoft's supposed to be going back up big soon, hopefully. I mean, actually, I'm not tripping about Microsoft too much because that doesn't expire till next week for me. So Microsoft can do whatever it wants to do right now. All it takes is like a little catalyst and then boom, boom. But Microsoft still looks like it's at good levels. What's up, Lucky J? April said, are you in anything today? So I picked up a 638 call around when it was at around 634. And that call is If I had to guess, I say 35% up right now because I just saw the other one. That call is, yeah, it's around 34% up. Percentage wise, the contract I got on Palantir and the contract I got on the SPY, they're like neck and neck. They're like moving like right together, like the option contract. So I got like a 160 call on Palantir, and I got a 638 call on the SPY. Caught the SPY to the downside, profiting, got out. Nice. Yeah, I didn't have it in me. I think I have to take the optimistic take on things for the most part, market wise. Buy the dips unless it's like just like up. Maybe sell some puts. It's like I'm more with the game of patience now. And like if I'm quick, like if I got the day trades, I'll be like, sure, let's see. But I gotta go like extra light if I'm doing anything. Accidentally got a put on Hood. Perfect setup for a call. $150 mistake should be up 300. Hey, as long as you're learning, it's just one of those things. At top of the morning, Gerald. Is Apple showing? Apple. So I felt like I looked at Apple earlier and I was just like, Apple's not doing much. Like when it comes to the way everything else was moving versus Apple, oh, it didn't seem as much. So Apple is like testing its 48 EMA. You're asking if it's showing a dead cat bounce? I don't know what a like I don't know a pattern for dead cat bounce. I mean, there's a demand zone that it's in right now. Actually, I'm not sure it's a demand zone. Yeah, I'm not sure that's the demand zone. There's it's an area of support, but I have no idea. I don't know what showing a dead cat bounce looks like. I don't know that as a pattern. I just know that, like, to me, it's like whenever, like, say you get a strong sell-off and then it comes up making you think it reverses and then it's going to go back down. I personally do not know how to fully tell. It's just like, for me, if it puts in a lower high and then yeah, if it puts in a lower high, then it's like, yo, you got the possibility for a lower low. But yeah, I have no idea. Kong, what's up? Yep, Palantir 4-hour trend. I mean, it was the Palantir 4-hour trend. It was like, yo, it was out. Like, it's like, yo, we're breaking this trend. But then it's like, yo, you know what? That was a good trend. Let's go back to that. Let's get back to that. So, guess that's what it decided to do. I told y'all red was coming. Think there will be more. Yeah, I'll say there's a good chance of that. But I'd like to think we'll have a pullback before we pull back down. I think there will be a double dip opportunity. I think it'd be nice, like if Palantir can. Here, let me slide this up here. I'm not riding Palantir all the way to 160. But yeah, if I catch Palantir at this, I don't like 155 kind of area. Yeah, I'm probably getting out of that thing. Because that looks like That looks like where it wants to go to like reload for downside. Jojo, good morning. Crypt Optimist took a 640 call on SPY. Alright, we'll see what it does right here. It's coming in to like pull back. Right now we still got the higher low. Oh no, the lower high. Let's see if we can put in a higher low or an equal low. We'll see what happens. Thoughts on Tesla going back up? I think I was looking at Tesla this morning and saw like it's in a, yeah, so Tesla's like, here, let me clear this out. So Tesla has a channel similar to Palantir. It looks like the bottom of the channel would be around this like 312 area. So I would say from there it could potentially bounce. But I don't know, you kind of just gotta go with the flow. It's like right now it's bouncing back and forth between there. So when it comes and touches that, it's like you can go, you can grab a call, but also be ready to have your stop ready. See if you get confirmation on the outside as well. Dead cat bounce, bouncing at non-demand zone with low volume. I don't know. Let's see. Friday morning will determine the stock market for the next week. Tune in, and for real. He said fake out. I don't think there's anything fake about what's going on in either direction. So I think we'll just have to see, honestly. It's like, to me, hindsight's 2020. It's like, I say we'll pull back next month, but also it's like if we end up pulling back enough this month, there won't really be too much to pull back to. Let me get a look at SPY on the higher time frames. See it on the 4. Do I have the, oh, here, let's pull up the 200 EMA too. Oh, we're a ways away from the 200 on the SPY. The Qs is pretty close to his 200, but the SPY, the SPY got a ways to go. Let me come back up. We still got what, like 4 minutes on this candle? I'll say if we can close above or stay closed above this 634.74 area, I'm still optimistic on how the day will end with how the day will end in the market for the SPY. And then for Palantir, if it can close above, I guess, as long as it's above like 145.84, I'm optimistic on that too. BTCS solid on the day. BM, they're already bouncing back. Yeah, they kind of already got their little double bottom kind of move. Wait, that's on the 15. Okay. Oh, hold up. The SPY trying to come back down. It's like they heard me and they said, oh no, we don't want them to be that, we don't want to give them that comfort. They trying to mess around. It seemed like it was a sure deal. May not be the case. Oh, yo, we got a lot of lurkers on stream. We got 38. El Salvador might peek his head around. Market makers are listening, but they aren't liking. Yes, if you are a market maker, if you have any making in the market, yo, this one's for you. Go ahead, smash the like button. If you're gonna try to take my money, least you could do. Very much appreciate it. That way we get some kind of deal or exchange going on. Hey, you said tell them MMM. Hey, y'all better watch out before I become market maker Matthew. I think my wife told me that she the other day she was like talking about somebody she met playing pickleball and what they said they did for work. And it sounded like what she was saying. Like she said they're like in the stock market, blah, blah, blah. I was like, it sounded like they were a market maker. I was like, yo, I've never met anybody that is actually a market maker. But it sounded like what they did was like market makery. So I was like, yo, I gotta meet this person. He said market makers really trying to push me out right now. Hey, that's what they do. Someone should make a movie about a market maker making millions just to troll a guy with the bro. That would be wild, bro. Honestly, have you seen the Truman Show? It's like, yo, you're just watching Truman in his life, and then it's like, yo, it's a movie about a guy with a $500 account that just can't catch a break. It's like it's not like he's losing massively, but it's not like he's winning massively either. Okay, hey, okay, that 4-hour candle, I can, we're good for the start of that. I'm not liking the volume on that 4-hour candle, but like where it closed, I have optimism. Let's look up. Let's go down to the 15. Okay, we're still. It's fine right now. It's still fine. Okay. Chilling right now. We'll have to see how low we pull back on this little downtrend we got going right now. That is actually a great script idea. Honestly, Yo, honestly, it's like, hey, if we don't have the budget, maybe we can get AI to write it. And it's like you can't have it. You can't have the dude that you can't have the dude with the $500 account be like this super chill, like level headed dude though. That's not interesting enough. It needs to be somebody, or maybe he starts out super chill, starts out level headed, and then like just over time he like really just starts to lose it. And like I don't know, it's like everything he does, it just, I don't know, he just, it gets him one step closer. That'd be wild. Volume has been trashed for a week or two across the board. Buyers on vacation. Hey, for real. Honestly, bro, the buyers been buying too much in my eyes. It's like, yo, it's like, yo, why are y'all buying right now? He said, I'm contacting Jim Carrey. Hey, tell him we can sneak Sonic in there somewhere. I'm sure he'll be all over it. I feel like that's what he's been on the Sonic movies lately. Character like Doug Heffernan from King of Queens. I actually haven't seen that show. I'd have to see it. They actually did a stock episode on there too. Was it like a buying, selling stocks, day trading kind of stocks? Or they like get into options? Bro, Palantir, hey, Palantir doing this thing. Let me check in on my Palantir. I don't think my SPY and Palantir are synced up anymore. At least I hope they're not. Nah, that SPY's up 6%. Let's see how that Palantir is doing. Y'all, I'm getting my steps in right now. Oh yeah, that Palantir's up 47%. He was happy when the stock was up and angry when it was down. Just bought this. Oh no, yeah. That's a yo. Whenever my friends like want to get into stocks, I'm like, yo, that's great. But then it's like, yo, they're like, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. I'm like, yo, it's just try to like set it and leave it alone and like watch it, like maybe check in once a month or so. Like I was like, yo, keep doing your job, keep finding other ways to make money and just pour in and like watch it over time. But if you watch it day to day, you will go crazy because it's like, yo, I can hear them, I can see them going insane, going crazy with the stocks. It's like it's wild. It's like a lot of people are not built like that. Kevin James from King of Queens is brilliant. Hey, Lucky J, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. On this little walking pad, I figure since I can't quite run to the I can run. I'm just not trying to like injure myself more. Trying to like heal. So I figure since I cannot run as much, I'm like, yo, let me still keep my steps up. Yesterday I did like a little workout on a Peloton, bro. I don't know how people sit on bikes that long. I was on there like 50 minutes. It was like a little 10-minute warm up. It was like 6 intervals of like a little 3-minute sprint and then a 2-minute like kind of cool off. It was like 6 of those and then another 10-minute cool down. I'm like, yo, I had to like stand up in some parts because I'm like, yo, this seat is hurting my rear end. Your spy? No, the spy expires tomorrow. Cause actually, I probably need to stop with this little walking pad right now, cause I can still feel it on my I'm doing it in my socks. I don't have shoes on, so I just stopped it. But yeah, I can feel it in my little shin. So I'm like, yo, let me chill with that. Set it and forget it. Hey, for real. It's like, I'm gonna be real. I don't just forget about my socks. I definitely like I still look at them every day, but it's like I'm just like I see them for what they can be. I'm like, ooh, they came lower, but I'm getting more. Even if it's only like $15, $30 going in a day, it's like, hey, or like 40. I'm like, yo, let's it's this much now. I can see this going here. So it's cool. Imagine a $500 account and watching every second of the market every day. For real. Like, it's like if your account is more than you make smaller than what you make in a week, then you're legit doing the most, kind of getting in and watching that. I just bought The Intelligent Investor on Kindle. It's insightful. I used to have that book. I never had it on Kindle, but I used to have the book. I'll be real. I never really. I didn't read too much of it. I did not. I like to read and I read, but I did not read too much of the book. But I have heard a lot of the principles. Maybe I'll get it again one day, but I think I like to be hooked a little more with books. I don't know. I feel like the way it was written was it's like I had to try too hard to read it, but this was like years ago. Marvin, top of the morning. Shin splints ain't no joke. Oh, Brandon, I actually like it's a stress factor. It's past it's well past shin splints. I've had them since like November, December last year, but it's like it kind of got better. So I was like, it's fine, but then also it's like still felt them from time to time, and I'm like, yo, it's all right if this is the worst it gets. But then I started like going like longer distances. Like, think like last week I went like 16 miles, and I tried to do this Sunday I tried to do 7. Bro, I did like a mile, and I was like, oh no, this is getting worse. I'm like, yo, I gotta chill out. So I'm like, hey, that's it. Why are they buying TSLL 12 for? Hey, I may not see the bounce, but here, let's see where that is on TSLL. $12. I mean, looking at, well, there is like liquidity right here at this level, and it did uphold at the liquidity. I don't, well, actually, do I see it on Tesla? So it would be at like 316. Yeah. Yeah, so I see it on TSLL and on Tesla. So yeah, I can see a good kind of trend going up. So it's like it's very well possible. I would say that is very very well possible for it to go up and do that. All right, the Palantir is up 76%. Okay, let's get it. The SPY is not quite moving the same. Let's see. Hey, SPY's up 10%. We'll take it. We'll take it. Hey, but yeah, Palantir's doing this thing. Let Let me slide that. I'm not even. Oh wait, that's okay. The SPY is up 18% now. That's jumping a little bit. Let me slide this down a little bit. Dipping out early today for our Price Smart run. Here's the Palantir to 155 today, Viva. Hey, enjoy your Price Smart run. Hey, yeah, enjoy your Price Smart run. Hopefully you get some good stuff while you're out there. Hopefully Palantir pays for the trip too. What can be a stop loss? So I don't set stop losses. I like my stop losses change. So for me, it's like I would look at this low and I would look for a candle close below 1120 on TSLL, but I would look for a 4-hour candle close there. So it's like my stop loss isn't going to be exact. Like I would look for confirmation below this. It's like I'm a little bit more patient with my closes, so I take losses with mine too. But yeah, the level that it would be at for me doing that would be this 1120 area on TSLL. Dominique, I'm a member now. You joined hey, you subscribed? Hey, welcome, Dominique. Yeah, the Zoom is still on tonight. 7:30. All right, let's check in. Palantir up 88%. And we got the SPY. It's up 15. Yo, so I got in like over here. Don't know why that was all the way over there, but okay, SPY trying to push up a little bit. Hey, we'll take that. Hey, push on, SPY. All right, the SPY is up 25 now. Let's go, SPY. I'm gonna go to like a 5. Check the EMAs. right, let's go push on up. You can do it, SPY. Just a little higher. Just about like, I don't know, if you want to go like $4 higher, SPY. That's all we ask. Oh, also got that 200 EMA coming down on Palantir. That could also be a good take profit area. Zoom back out on Microsoft. Okay, the SPY is trying to push a little bit. Trying. It's trying. But it might be coming for a double top. Let's see if it pushes higher, if we get a little double top action. Let's hope it keeps pushing. Yeah, it's going for the push. All right, that's SPY up 38%. Oh, we still got Palantir pushing too. Looking good. That's what we like to see. Tesla pushing up a bit too. Honestly, when it comes to a retest level, Buddha Deb, that area you're looking at, that looks like that $12 area does look like a good kind of retest area. There's like, it's like a lot of EMAs just like meeting up right there. So that would be a good kind of continuation area if it's gonna like reverse and continue to the downside. That's a good area for it. All right, we got Palantir up 103%. Let me alert the family if they're trying to. Yo, that's a home run on Palantir. Let's see. Is there a bat emoji? All right, there we go. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. We got Palantir pushing up. Palantir up 106, and we got okay, SPY moving. Okay, hey, SPY up 56. 56% on the SPY. Yo, we like what we see. Maybe this SPY will help make up for yesterday a little bit. Cause I'm still in that other SPY call. What was it? Let's see. It expires today, but it's just worthless. It's a SPY 643 call. Yeah, that's like worthless right now. Yeah, let me come to a 15 on the SPY because right now it's looking like and let's hope this isn't a little sweepy. Let's hope we keep it moving. All right, trying to push a little bit. Still trying to push. We like what we see. Let's go up. Hey, we were down. Now we're up. Let's get it. Oh, we still got a lot of lurkers out here too. Hey, this is just calling that out. We got about 26 lurkers. Market makers, lurkers. Come on, show yourselves. A little slow in action on the SPY. Still got about 6 minutes on this candle though. Just got home from Panda's vet annual exam this morning. All good to go. Hey, good to hear. Good to hear. Now, when you say all good to go, what kind of work you got her doing? I know she's a border collie, but what do you have her doing work, or is she just healthy? All right, yo, SPY pushing. We still got the Palantir pushing. Here, let me clear these levels a little bit. Get rid of that one. SPY's trying. She's good for another year. All shot. Okay. Hey, good to hear. We like to hear that. We like a build of good health. Yo, we still got 5 minutes on this SPY candle. Still moving up though. Yo, we're $1 from the money on this SPY too. That's kind of nice. If we can keep this going, it's gonna be solid. Okay, hey, pushing a little bit more. SPY up at 6:37:20. Yo, okay, it's doing its thing. I also entered her into the scent work trial. She just needs one more to qualify to get her first title. When you say scent work, does that is that like hunting things down with their nose, or like is that like kind of detecting kind of things? I don't know. Either way, it sounds cool. I cannot wait to get a dog. It's like okay, yeah, yeah. Who's trying to call me? Nope. So many spam calls. But hey, that's cool. That's very cool. Novice level, we use birch essential oil. No, I don't. I don't know what that is. I don't know like what way you mean by using that. Is that for testing? What is this? Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up. It's a delivery driver. Here, I'm gonna call this delivery driver real quick. Hello? I'm good. How about you? It's an apartment. Not a garage. There's a mail room. I'm home. I can come down and get it if you let me know when you get here. Okay. Well, yeah, I'll be here. Okay. You're welcome. Bye. All right. So it was a delivery driver. I don't know what they're sending me, but yo, I got a package coming. I was like, yo, who is this trying to call me? Oh, hold up. We're trying to. Hey, Palantir's trying to get there. Might have to take some profits. Okay, the spy's up 62%. Palantir. Let's see. Where's my Palantir? Yo, Palantir up 152%. On the cool. Here, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna actually just make that free kind of right there. And then I'm gonna let the Discord know I'm out right now. Just took profit on Palantir calls. That's 167 per share. There we go. So yeah, that's a Palantir trade. Okay, all right. So smells like birch tree. Okay, I got you. 2 day dip on SPY. Is it because of rate cuts? Hey, honestly, I could not tell you. All right, so I'm watching SPY too. Just a little update. Hey, up 20% on SPY. Hey, like to hear it. Like to hear the W's. What candle patterns do I look for? Usually I either look for like a strong area of support. I look for a sweep of liquidity. I look for like if we look at this chart right here in the middle of this QQQ chart, usually when it comes to a big wick, like if we have a big wick on the candle, I look for stuff like that. And that's, I kind of evaluate it and see kind of how the trade looks, but that's what I look for when I take my trades. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a SPY right here too. So cutting out at like 149 per share. And now I'm gonna just be on the lookout. That way I'm easier. Just took profit on SPY. Had just enough to make it free. Sold, wait, what is it? At, what is it? 150 per share. Or was it, wait, what was it? Was it 151? Let's see. Oh, sold out at 149 per share. There we go. All right. How am I doing on the day? Yo, that brought me back to break even on the day. I wasn't start. That's crazy. That brought me back to break even. I was yeah, I was down, but hey, actually, technically, I'm like, oh no, I'm back in the red. Still got contracts I'm in. It brought me back to break even, but now I'm like $5 in the red. I'm chilling though. I'm chilling. I'm not trying to get greedy. We'll see if there are any other opportunities that want to just be just extra obvious. I'm going back up to the 4 hour because I feel like I still saw stuff that looked like good, obvious money, but like Palantir can still go, but that's a free trade now. SPY can still go, but that's free. I mean, I don't really expect too much from the SPY, but yeah, I'm gonna just kind of zoom out and what I do? See if anything looks good. With all this selling pressure, I'm not really trying to go too hard against things. So go back to Microsoft. Yeah, I want to take a look at AMD. How's that doing? But AMD came to 158. See if I see anything that just looks good. I'm out on the 4 hour now. Okay, so Microsoft is pretty close to its 200 EMA. 20% profit on the SPY. I got out. Hey, y'all get that. Hey, get that money. Yeah, 20% solid. That is solid right there. Like I'm 100% okay with missing like a extra couple dollars on Palantir and missing some dollars on SPY just so I know I don't get wiped out. Sometimes we gotta make sure we stay in the game. Microsoft coming down. I might have to just reevaluate this Microsoft. It's not one I typically like trading. Oh, there's some liquidity down here. Like, yeah, Microsoft at this. Here, let's move this down here. That's a little past the 200 moving at. I might get another Microsoft at that level. Like, Microsoft is still coming down. I'm gonna try to actually, yeah. Let me get on Moomoo, and let me try to look for some correlations in this data that I see, or look at the data to see if I can find some correlations. So markets, let's see. Not quite gathering anything right now. Ooh, let me look at Meta. All right, so you're right about staying in the game sometimes. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta do what you can to stay. It's like it's not always gonna be amazing, but you know, there are some days where everybody gets paid, and you gotta be able to like be there in order to actually take advantage, or to be able to take advantage. Oh, also top of the morning, Sarah. Oh, let's also look at Nvidia. They got earnings in a couple days. Oh, they already pulled back. So I was watching for this level, 171, They kind of swept that. Yeah, I guess we'll see. So we get an hour and 19 minutes. So like right when the stream ends. Will you send the Zoom meeting info in Discord? Yeah, so I did yesterday, but I will like redo it too. Did I find you in Discord the other day? Let me make sure you have the right permissions again. Or let's see. What was the name? Yeah, were you one of the ones who I dealt with on Discord? Let me look at the history on the little thing real quick. See if you were one of them. Okay, let's see. Who came in here? Let's see. Oh, yeah, I see you. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I found your name. Yeah. Yeah, you're in there. It'll be out. What platform am I using? This is TradingView. This is TradingView. TradingView.com. Also, y'all just posted a quick survey. So if y'all have not, it would be greatly appreciated if y'all could if you could take the time to fill that out. I want to make improvements to everything I do here, and it really just kind of helps to what is it? Really just kind of helps filtering in helps with what I'm trying to like build. So like the answers I get back from y'all kind of filter into that. Oop. Hello, Sarah. I think you might be a little bit behind in time. Yeah, if you press the like red live button, yeah, you might be a little behind in time. Just a little bit, like a couple minutes or something. It is 11:45 and 50 seconds at the time that I'm saying this. I would encourage you to take a look at what time it is in this little kind of seconds where I have the mouse kind of hovering and compare that to your time. If that's too far off, I would try to like catch up on stream. It's normal for there to be like maybe like a 15-second delay or so, but I would say any more than that, I don't know. All right, so SPY's back at 637. All right, let's go through the list, see how things are looking. All right, so to those of you that aren't in the Discord, I I had a leap on Pfizer. I kind of closed that out. Had $1 loss. It's crazy because there was a point in time I was up like to 80 on them, but I sold out for like 58. But I just saw the money that could be used better today, so I was like, "Yo, let's use this." And it definitely made more than that. So let's see what else we got here. Pfizer, hey, still on the run though. UNH, little pullback action. All right, there goes Palantir trying to go a little higher. Oh, something vibrating my phone. All right, let's see. I got a contract that's expiring on the 22nd and already down, but now I'm looking at the play. My setup was wrong. I placed a call instead of a put without doing some more research. Would you like to go over the charts for whatever stock you're looking at? We can look at it together. Got a little time. Got a little time right now. Ooh. Definitely a lot less volume on this candle. I don't think SPY's done because it. Wait, hold up. Let's take a look at this real quick. So right here. Yeah, I think we're about to like on the 4 hour, like more than likely we're about to officially cross into like a downtrend. Like we've already crossed into the downtrend on the trend line. Like if we were just trading trend line, this is the beauty of trend lines. Like people like hate on trend lines, but confirmation on the trend line was over here on this candle. So realistically, you could have got in around 639. It's gone to 633. And this trend began at like 624. So with enough time, I think it will at least pull back to that. The part that's tricky is just sometimes the timing and whatnot. It's like if too many people catch on, they will pump it back up, all that kind of stuff. Exocole made 120 on my SPY call. Hey, let's get it. Yo, another home run right there. Okay, it's 12. Okay, that's right on, Sarah, that's right on. Right time. Cool. What do you think of a $200 call on Palantir expiring? I don't love it. So Palantir is in a downtrend. Yeah, Palantir is in a downtrend. I'm gonna say I do not like on the weekly. Like I have Palantir still being able to come down. It's like if Palantir comes down to like 128, 130, I'll say there's a chance. but I'm not. I would say like honestly, right now shooting for anything higher than 170 seems kind of wild to me. It's like it can happen, but once again, historically, September is like a very sell off month. So we could have lot more downside. So for me, if I were grabbing something like me right now, I'm like I have to grab stuff at like the kind of like snobbiest levels. Like, yo, I'm not taking that risk. It's like you'll see me grabbing at levels like right here. I thought this was going to be liquidity that got respected, but we kind of just like ate through it. Now I'm looking at this level. I might grab a little more. So I'm looking at like sharp kind of like strong levels. Like this seemed like it would be okay because it was already oversold, but this seems even stronger because we also got the 200 moving average lined up there. So we'll kind of see. Sarah did the same thing this morning. I was rushing. I think there was like a stream back in like October and November where I was trading zero DTEs on Nvidia. I probably was using. I think I had like I was grabbing like 6 contracts at a time. I'm like, oh yeah, I should be up good. And I was looking at the contract. I'm like, why is it not moving up? It was like actually moving down. I'm like, yo, this not is not doing what it should be doing. And then I don't remember whether it was calls or puts, but I remember it was Nvidia. I had like 6 zero DTEs. And yo, I should have made probably like $600-700 that morning. Nah, I think I lost like 50% on the trade, and I was like, man, I don't have any levels on Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia is just I don't know. It's like there's demand at like 168. You said that was the first video you watched? Oh dang. Yeah, I was like, yo, I'm gonna have to. I was like, I think I'm done for the day. I think I need to just sit here and not trade. I need to go do something else. That was actually kind of upsetting. I was like, wow. It was yeah. Today back to the green just takes time and effort learning for 100%. And then also we don't get too comfortable because it's like whenever you get too comfortable, the market's like, yo, it's time to do the thing. It's like, yo, you can be comfortable in your entries, but don't get too comfortable. It's like a lot of times like when you see me like riding a trade, what gives me kind of the balls to be able to ride certain trades is like, okay, I see this opportunity real quick. I'm going to make this trade and this is kind of going to pay for it. So sometimes I'll just sit in the same spot, like value wise. Very welcome, booted up. About how I felt today, 10 this morning. I know how you feel. Honestly, this morning, like I try not to like look too closely at the charts. But yo, I'm over here trying to like edit like a little review video, and then I'm like, yo, I keep clicking over to see like, oh, yo, what's going on? What's the stocks doing? I'm like, oh, it's going up now, and it's like, oh no, that was a fake out. But yeah, we'll have to see. once again, the Qs are pretty close to their 200 moving average, and they're pretty close to filling this gap over. Okay, that's weird. All right, so this was a bearish range on the Qs, and this was a bearish range on the SPY. Then we came up and we broke them, but now we're like kind of back in that range. The SPY still has like a decent fall it can make to get back to it. Let's see. Whereas the Qs is they're not moving quite to the same. Like filling in the gap for the SPY, that's a 2% fall or almost $13. Filling in that same gap on the Qs is 1.5 or an $8 fall. The SPY is not quite oversold yet, but the Qs is oversold. So honestly, that'll be when I think it'll be a good time to get like swings to when we fill in this gap over here. That's when I think will be a better time to get swings. So yeah, let's or we can get a swing to the upside. All right, let's see. Oh, hit that like button. Oh yeah, that's a great idea, Lucky J. I don't know where you get all the brilliance. Yes, 100%. Got to learn from your mistakes and keep moving. Is the Fed? No. So the Fed's not making any rate cut decisions today. What we have today from the Fed is just their meeting minutes. So honestly, I don't know why it's such a big deal, because it's like usually their minutes, it's a meeting they already had and we already kind of got the results from. We just see like kind of the transcript for it, and it kind of moves the market. So do you think Palantir manipulated us yesterday? In what way? What way? So Palantir, like, we got a heavy sell-off from Palantir. We got continued heavy sell-off this morning. And then they kind of hit the bottom of their, like, range. And then we're kind of getting some buying up now. Like, it's still going. Like, I took my profit, but, yo, it's likely going for that area, and there might be a chance of it selling off more after that. I'm not chasing that. John Mutcherson, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome. Happy to have you, man. All right, hey, Palantir's pushing on up. I'm just curious. Let me see how the contract would be had I still been riding it. Hey, honestly, I was up more when I took profit. It was up 150%. Right now it's at 146, and it's higher than it was when I took profit. Think that V-shape yesterday the V-shape was supposed to happen yesterday. Oh, so I wouldn't say that, because if we look back on Palantir, like yesterday it closed out like right here at like 153. But what made me actually enter the trade was this channel that we had identified. So it was this channel combined with this it being oversold on the RSI, and oh, it just looked like a good entry. Now I would say anybody still riding Palantir, be careful of like this, like just below 156 area. Hey, glad to hear that, John. Glad to hear that. But yeah, I'll just say be wary. The spy definitely slowed down. I'm glad we cut out of that. I feel like I don't know, I feel like news has been very quiet. What I did, I went to paper trade, make on the position, and it was gaining. Then I put my real money and it ended up going down, so I got out of that trade. No, I know how you feel. So me, like when it comes to things that have been running, or like if there's been a position like that I put on my watch list and it's like, oh man, I should have taken that. One thing I've learned is like there are times like people on stream, they'll be like, yo, this trade is moving and it's up this much, and I'll look and the chart will look something like this, and I'm just like this is a massive move and that looks good, but it's like a lot of times after something has moved so much, it's like, yo, the steam for it is usually not going to have that steam. It's not going to have that same carry, and it's not going to necessarily go as far. Sometimes there are some instances where the steam lasts for days, but usually it's like, yo, if I miss like kind of like the reversal kind of trade, I'll just leave it alone because I'm not trying to just hop in and ride along, because it's like, yo, I need a pullback to get in or something, because it's like usually when you get a pullback, the options get cheaper, like they lose some IV. So buying at that lowered IV, whenever it starts moving again, it gains an IV, and you're able to get kind of better pricing. But yeah, it's harder to like really hop on something that's moving. So a lot of times, like when I see something that's been moving, I just like the toughest thing for me is just like watching it pass. And I know a lot of y'all will come through and be like, "Yo, I'm in this. It's up like 80%," and then like I'll be like, "Oh, that's real nice. Oh yeah, that's a good move." But nah, I can't chase that. And then oh, let me check and see. And I'm like, yeah, I can't chase that because what is it? A lot of I cannot chase it because oftentimes when people really, really catch on to it, it'll kind of die or it'll start trading sideways, and it has all that extra IV from the momentum. So it's like I just learned there will always be another trade. Tom Lee said we'll hit 7,000 by. I think it's very well possible. I think we'll have a dip first for sure, but after, yeah, I think it's possible. Hey, Tom Lee has been doing his thing. Like even when he sounds crazy, it seems like it can be right, or he still manages to like be on with it. So yo, I have nothing to say against him. I'm 18 and only been investing and trading for a couple months. I realized patience. Hey, have you realized that at 18? If you were a stock, yo, I'd invest. Yo, that's yo, like to hear that. Shoot, I think I was probably like 22 when I first like got around to it, and then the whole patience thing came later. All right, we got Palantir is going for it. It's about to hit that level. Let me see how that's going on. Okay, now it's up 165. It's up a little more than when I cut out. Did I get in on no, I didn't get in on Meta. It hasn't like switched up yet, has it? It's still at that area though. No, I'm not in on Meta. Should have kept my spot call. Like Spotify? Hey, off the bottom, Spotify. Oh, that's like a little $12 move. If that's what you were talking about. Oh, spy call. Okay, I was like, a spy is like kind of chilling though. Like it might. It looks like it may have formed a little trend line potentially. Nah, that's I don't know. It's not that clear. Let's go to a 5. Yeah, it's already starting to dip into the trend line. Oh wait, here let's. Thank God that hey, for real. Yeah, you know the jobs. Yo, they're difficult to come by right now. Yes, if you have a job right now, yes, thank God. I tried to get a. I was trying to get jobs whenever I came back from Europe. I was like, yo, let's I was like I could use some extra money. I don't need anything full time, but it's like the all the jobs and stuff, or at least nearby, they were not happening. And then there were all these like job listings, but yo, there were no interviews or anything coming my way. So I'm like, yo, it is what it is. 59th leg presser, Was lurking on the TV. When you say where's the bread, yo, we got the bread today. Yo, we got it on the Spy. We got it on Palantir. Yo, it was a good little day with both of those. Just finished your survey. Appreciate you, Cryptoptimist. Very, very much. Great things will come from it. I very much so appreciate you. Lucky J. Ooh. What was I doing? I think I was doing something. All right, so the Spy with this little fake trend line, it's like it's trying to potentially trying to turn around. I'm not going in for any more trades today, but oh, it's there. I think tomorrow I'm gonna try to. Let me see how long ago this dude called me. I made 187 in profits today. Good day for a side. Hey, good stuff. Oh, you're at work too. Hey, get that stuff. Get that. Yeah, get it, bro. Get it, Devin. All right, let's. Me either. I lost $1. Hey, as long as it was just $1, hey, it's part of the game. You know, we gotta pay tuition to the market every now and then, but hey, I would rather pay $1 than 50. What was I? Oh, I was looking at this dude that called me, or this that was at 11:27. They said he'd be like 30 minutes. I have not heard back. Oh, hold up. Oh, this says scam likely. I don't think this is the same dude. Reject that. I'll keep it small till I get. Hey, that's a wise thing to do. Very, very wise thing to do. All right, so looking at the Spy, we are below this trend line. No confirmation. We're on the 5. Let's go to a 15. Yeah, as of right now, we're still bearish on the Spy. Volume is very low. Very, very low. It's crazy. I got like a little pool workout today. It was gonna be outside, but the weather is actually nice outside for once. It's like I prefer to be in the pool when it's like burning and stuff. It is what it is though. Get that work in. All right, Spy. Yo, let's look. Oh, we still got like 12 minutes on this candle, but yo, Spy looks like it wants to come down some more. I focus more on percentage rather than, hey, for real, because you can always scale up. You can always get more contracts. So it's like if I made, let's see, with that Palantir trade I took today, if I, oh wait, that's Microsoft. So I paid like 67 for the Palantir, but it was up like 100 when I sold out, or 150%. So if I bought 10 contracts at 670 and I sold out, yeah, that'd be like 670 to like just under 1500. Some solid money right there. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Ooh, I got a snack. I'll be right back. All good here. All right, SPY's pushing up. Said it's not done yet. It's at 637.10. Hey, Linus, have a blessed day. Try not to get too tired running those errands. I appreciate that, Linus. Thank you very much. Track that SPY trade. Think I got out over here. Was it over here or was it over here? No, it was over here. Oh, hold on. I think this dude's calling me about this package. Hello? Are you here? Okay, I'll come down. What are you driving? Okay. I'm wearing a. I'm in the first building. I'm on the corner closest to the McDonald's. Yeah, it's by the leasing office. I still. Okay, just stay there. Yes. just checking in, y'all. Letting y'all know I'm still alive. Oh, we're moving back up. Still got to move this thing. It's huge. It's like 300 pounds. Helping this dude. I'll be alright. I'm back. I'm coming back. goodness. Wow. That is wow. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, hey, Spy's still trying. Hey, we never completely confirmed down below, so that's good. All right. That. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to let y'all know about that one on my story. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I'm still signed on to my stream. Hold up. I'm like, why do I hear myself? Let me stop that. Okay. Make sure to smash that like too. All right. But yeah, I'm back. Okay, so I see Stan. What do you think about SoFi? I feel like I talked about it earlier. I didn't have like any feelings about it, but like there's some liquidity here. SoFi broke its trend too, so with that in mind, I would probably look for a retest, maybe of this like 23 area. And the trend is down now, so it's like on these retests, we're trading with the trend, so it's like now we might want to start trading to the downside, depending on what time frame we're on. Or actually, hold up. Let me turn on the 200 EMA, see where that's at with SoFi. Yeah, I would say this 200 EMA is going to be a good support on the 4 hour, but it's still like, I don't know. Sarah said, "Well, take your time. Don't want to hurt yourself." Hey, luckily, the dude who delivered it helped me bring it, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it now. It's just sitting in my living room. It's kind of wild. Hey, peace out, Mass 3D RC. Hey, have a blessed day. If you're able to make it to the stream, cool. Or the Zoom, cool. If not, I guess I'll see you when I see you. George had to go out and work for my money today. A lot of my stop losses. Oh yeah, I know how that goes. But yeah, peace out, family. I'm in awe. I hope I can figure out what to do with it before my wife gets here, because I have no idea what to do with it. Um, I might get in trouble. I don't know. We'll see. It's crazy. Did you post the link to the stream somewhere? Uh, it's in the Discord. Um, it's also on the Are you able to? I posted in the Discord yesterday in like the announcements channel. Here, let me see if I can get it real quick and post it here. It might be too long. All right, so let's see. No, it's like too long. How do I get a shorter? I posted it. Let me just I'll post it on YouTube too, like on my community, on a little community post. I'll do a community post on YouTube as well before it goes out. But hey, we're moving up a little bit. I feel like I need a shower now after all that moving. Oh no, and now I just got some packages. I got packages from Amazon being delivered. I am over. Oh, it's just one right now. Okay. It popped up like a bunch of notifications. I was like, I am overwhelmed now, but we're good. We're good. Perfect things should happen. Okay, cool, cool. Hey, see you tonight. Mass 3DRC. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so yeah, we're still moving up on the SPY. If we keep moving up, I say if we take this level, I think we could come to like this just below 640 area today. Would you look at? Oh, hold up, yeah. I didn't even look at Target. I know they like. So they got some bad news today with their CEO selling off. Oh, they kind of went up and touched your target in the. So that kind of changed. That kind of changes things. So it looks like we got a candle close confirmation down at 95. So since it kind of came up and already wicked that way, it looks like there's a good chance. Like I could see it coming to maybe like 102 or so, or maybe 98. But it looks like it's going to try to come down some more. That's just kind of my first assessment, like based off the 4 hour. Yeah, the trend is still down for this on the weekly as well. So it looks like it's going to try to come down, and then also with the just the news of the CEO kind of was this the company that had the CEO dropping out? Let's see. I think it was Target that yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Target. Yeah, their CEO is like stepping down after like 11 years or something. So I think this one is I don't think it's going to work out in your favor. I mean, you of course there's plenty of time till then, but yeah, I don't think it's going to work out in your favor from what I saw because it looks like it hit kind of your level. Actually, it didn't even actually hit that. Wait, let's go to a 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like it kind of hit the area you wanted it to, like pre-market. That's the annoying thing about earnings is it'll kind of go to the levels beforehand. All right, SPY's still trying to push a little bit. Let me check in on that contract just to see how it's doing now. Wait, where? I mean, that Palantir is not doing anything too crazy. SPY. That SPY contract's up 70% from where I took entry, but it's up like, I think from where I took profit, it's up like an additional 21%. Do you think Walmart will come down because of the news of the? I had no idea about the radioactive shrimp news, but I don't know. I don't think shrimp is like too much of a like drives too much revenue for Walmart. So it's negative news, but I don't think it would be like too big of a deal. I mean, I don't know the exact news about the radioactive shrimp, but I guess it depends on like how far do we think it reaches? Is it like just the shrimp or is it like more? And is it like I don't know. But I wouldn't really expect too much there. And then peace out, Mahishu. Have a blessed day. Um, I hope the rest of the day kind of goes your way. I hope your day is filled with lots of joy, lots of love, lots of laughter, and great weather. Yeah, Spy is really fighting at this level. Volume is really low here too, so they need to get some of that bubble gum from the good stuff. Life's like a oh wait no that's not bubble gum. How does BMR charts look? This is BMNR's chart. They had a run up. Now they're pulling back. I want you to notice last time that they had a run up and they pulled back. They kind of found their way after consolidating at this 4 hour 200 EMA. So do with that information what you will. Oh, let me check on my wife's location, see how fast I need to get this situation figured out. Wait. I think she's still. Yeah, I think I got time. I think I'm doing all right. We're good. We're good. You said run. Oh, I think I'm good for now. I'm good. I think I'm good with problem solving. I think I'll be able to figure this out. Yeah. I just gotta move some stuff. Definitely gotta move some stuff. If y'all have me on Instagram, would highly recommend checking out the story that I don't have a story yet, but I'm definitely about to share what this is in my living room. So you said we on it. All right, so I guess with that being said, we'll start wrapping it up. So guys, if I'm being real with y'all, I think Spy might be trying to be done. I think it's trying to work its way to being done. I don't think it comes too much higher. Like it could, but I would lean towards it. Like I don't know, it's kind of just chilling right now. But I think it's done. I think it's going to burn contracts if you're still in them. So yeah, with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. If you're still in any trades, I hope they go your way. That means you booted up. Let's see. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Hold on, let's move. Oh, also, if you have not filled out the survey and you want to help out, please do that. But yeah, with that, peace out, Sarah. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, George. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Buddha Dev. Peace out, and peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Crypt Optimist. Peace out, XO Cole. Peace out, M Sense. 69. I tried 69th like that is. It's the pinned comment. Here I can share it again real quick. Let's see. Let me see. Peace out, Brandon. There we go. There's a survey again. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to find something to do with this thing in my living room. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Oh, peace out, Pete. Yeah, peace out, family. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye. Oh, you too.